Joining me today on NYSE Floor Talk is Jose Rafael Fernandez. He is CEO at OFG Bancorp. Jose, it is wonderful to have you here. Thanks for joining me on Floor Talk.
Great to be here, Julie. Thank you for inviting us.
Thank you. Well, congratulations are in order. American Banker recently named you Community Banker of the Year. So tell me, Jose, what does this honor mean to you?
Really, it's a great honor. It's a great honor for me personally, but more importantly, it's a great honor for our team. We've been through 20 long, difficult years in Puerto Rico, and in the last couple of years, we've turned around in the island, and OFG is benefiting from that. But really, our team and the work we've done and how we've evolved as a company in the last 20 years, this recognition is a great honor, and it's a recognition for the whole team.
Now, Jose, tell me, how is the economy in Puerto Rico doing?
So the economy in Puerto Rico is doing great. It's actually turned around very nicely after really, really difficult years in the last 2 decades, as I mentioned. Since the hurricanes and the earthquakes that hit the island and then COVID, the island has kind of come back, and we've had 2 years of economic growth in the island. And what we're seeing today is not only the federal funds coming into the island and rebuilding the infrastructure, and this is rebuilding the infrastructure for the 21st century. It's really creating a lot more sustainability. It's creating a lot more resiliency for our economy. And what we're seeing today is private capital coming in and investing in Puerto Rico alongside the banks. And us as OFG Bancorp, we're an important part of that economic engine and helping our customers bring progress.
Now, OFG talks a lot about its digital first strategy. Tell me about this strategy.
So digital first can mean several things to different entities. For us, it means agility, it means speed, it means efficiency, and it's all focused on the customer. So what we're trying to do with digital first is really trying to move away from the branches as many interactions as possible and bring them to the digital platforms. Why we do that? Because we want to relieve time for our bankers at the flagship branches that we have to sit down with customers, listen to them, understand their needs, and help them achieve their financial goals. So as an example, we just came out with a sales and service portal. What it does is really, it's a digital platform where customers can do things that they would used to go to the branch or they would used to call on the call center. Now they can do it anytime, anywhere, through the mobile or through the online, and don't need to get out of their homes. And it's kind of a self-service portal, and it really helps them achieve efficiencies. And for us, it also helps us achieve efficiencies, because as a bank, we are deploying more of our resources towards the customer experience versus just serving customers on measly transactions or interactions.
All right, and finally, Jose, tell me, what's your outlook for 2024?
So I think Puerto Rico is going to continue to grow. Our economy is going to continue to grow. I think OFG Bancorp will benefit from that. We will be continuing to deploy technology. We will continue to deploy sales and service tools for our customers' experience to improve and help us differentiate from our competitors. And I think what you're seeing also is a lot of optimism in Puerto Rico. So we're really looking forward to 2024. Really happy with our success so far, and we want to continue it.
All right. Well, Jose, it's been wonderful to hear from you. Thanks for joining me on Floor Talk today.
Thanks for inviting us.